Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payroll in Gusto. So first head over to app.gusto.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next at the left corner or left panel, click on Pay. And here you can see the payroll setup timeline. So the first step is to fill out the company profile, which you will basically do when you're just starting and just created your new account. And the next step is to add in the payroll details. So click on the continue button if you already started this, or click on the let's do it button if it's your first time filling out details in this section. So just click whatever button is available. So the first step in filling out payroll details is to add another admin. You will be asked if you would like to add another admin, so you can answer yes or no. Then click on the continue button. Next is you have to enter your federal tax information, and that is, of course, your EIN or employer identification number. You can simply register with the IRS or just manually add in your EIN details. So the next step is to add in your company bank account. So the recommended method is to verify and link your checking account. You can verify with Plaid, or you can also manually just verify your account through test transactions. And the last step is to set up the pay schedule. Just click on the Edit Schedule button, then fill out all the fields in this window, starting with the pay frequency. So choose if every week, every other week, or whatever is your preferred frequency. Next is the start of work week. And of course, the first pay period start. First day employees will be paid in Gusto. Then once done, head over and click on Save Changes. So that's basically the steps in setting up the payroll. And to finalize the changes, just click on Save and Continue button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!